Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial using some L'Oreal products that I have. So I'm gonna start off with my L'Oreal Perfect Match Foundation in shade 8.N Cappuccino. I'm gonna apply the foundation all over my face using a brush. I will then go in with my makeup sponge to blend the foundation seamlessly. I decided to do my eyes off camera. I will then go in with the L'Oreal concealer in shade 7.RC Amber Rose. I initially bought this shade to contour with, turned out it was not dark enough. I will lighten up the concealer with the L'Oreal Perfect Match Concealer in shade 2.N Vanilla. I will then blend the concealer out. Since I don't have the L'Oreal concealer to contour with, I will just use my mesh sticks from Fenty Beauty. I'm just gonna blend this out. I'm gonna set the concealer with my Sasha Buttercup setting powder. I'm gonna use some powder to set the rest of my face. Then I'm gonna brush off the powder. I will then use the L'Oreal Crushed Foil Metallic Highlighter. Yes girl, that highlight though. Then I'll set everything using my NYX setting spray. For my lips, I'm just gonna go in with my Maybelline Liquid Lipstick. What do you think about this look? Let me know in the comments and thank you for watching. Mwah.